What's going on, guys? That Red Nismo here. Welcome back to another racing video. As the title suggests, this is our full bolt-on 2023 Nissan Z Proto edition. It is still stock turbo, that should be mentioned, but we are racing. I know some people are going to say it's kind of puppy kicking, but it is currently, at the time of uploading, the world's fastest Kona N. As far as his full mod list, I'll list what I can in the description, but there's so much done that I really don't know that platform, so I can't describe it too well. But watching, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video as well. I do have a fairly big announcement for the channel coming up soon. I'll have that video up hopefully in a couple weeks now. Additionally, my channel has recently been monetized, but due to my low viewership rate, obviously I'm not making what I'd like to be. So if you do want to support the channel or help support the build, I have my PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App linked in the description below. But like I said, thanks for watching. If you do have any questions or anything like that, comment them down below and respond to every comment. So see you later, guys.